Kahit umalis kayo dyan ng 6:45 dyan sa inyo. Before 7, nandito na kayo nung. Tapos ako lang maghahatid sa pila ko. Para dito ka natin. Kahit huwag ka na magdala ng laptop, dito ka na sa dito ko. Para hindi ka na magdamit. Bubuhayin ka na ng oras. Ako na lang kung ngayon siya ko, ma'am. Magkano sweldo ko ba? Magkano sweldo ko doon? Kaso dapat natin. Kasi, bibig ho, 10 p.m. sa kanila, 11 a.m. dito sa atin. 11 hours. 11 a.m. dito, 10 p.m. doon.
11 a.m. dito, 10 p.m. doon. Kung yung 11 p.m. sa atin, 10 a.m. sa kanila.
Baliktad na.
Bakit? Oo.
Malambot na yung hotdog. Kasi kung nababa ko na yung hotdog, makakagit ako ng 7. Yan, tagal ko lumambot eh. Frozen. Kaya pa yung tubig, bago ka tumawag. Kasi yellow siya. Pag medyo malambot na. Basta pag natapos na ako, tasaluhin na kita. O kaya mag-OT ka na nga lang, 30 minutes. OT din ako 30 minutes. Mas okay nga yung mag-OT tayo kasi nga, dahil mapasok. Ha? Hindi walang pasok. Kasi ako tulad ko, di ba, hanggang 12 pasok ko. Eh, di naman ako mag-isip lang hanggang alauna kasi alas 11 pa lang naman. Eh, alas 12 pa lang, pag alauna dito, alas 12 sa kanila. Kasi hanggang 12 ako, di ba? 11 na yun. Pag nag-OT ako ng 1 hour, 12 ano sa kanila. Sabi ko, 12, 8 sa kanila. Kuya, alam mo, mag-isip tayo ng magandang vlog, girl. Yung tayo yung mga manusik na, si ano, nag-viral na. Tama, may Barbie na si Fashionista Mother. Ano kaya ang magagawa natin na magbabiral? Alam mo, pag-isipan natin yan, girl. Baka din tayo yayaman. May nakita nga ako yung parang ano, yung vlogging kit, exciting kit. Maganda kasi i-vlog natin. Yung iba kasi, makatravel natin ang pinag-vlog. Ito, maganda kasi pagka ganun, pwede tayo mag-sponsor sa mga lugar. May meron kasi, kaya pag-travel. Yan. Kaya magandang po. Alam mo, basta ang gawin mo pagka nagbibigay. O kaya naman, okay ka naman. Alam mo kasi nga, kung kailan ba tayo mag-open ng account ng mga bata? Kailangan magmatalino, girl. Maliit pa ng anak mo, tandaan mo.
Ayun po kasi may nasasabi sa akin na
Ala, bukas may masasabi ka dapat ng tamo ko, nakita ko rin ang kami, ang isip ko lagi, may ano kami. Okay, halika, sisi nga. Kung mag-open na tayo sa ano, sa Monday kaya pa tayo. O kaya sa Monday ka ba magpapabunot?
Sa Monday, kapag Monday, ay hindi pala sa Monday kasi ano yun eh, traffic yun.
Ay, oo
Kasi
nga.
uwian.
Garne, sa Monday, pumunta ka na sa, di ka diyang kanamlaang naman, pumunta ka na sa BDO. Magtanong ka na ng requirements. Tapos sa Tuesday tayo pupunta ng hapon pagkatapos ko mag-duty. Ay, pagkatapos natin, sunduin ng mga bata.
Saan? Walang pasok.
Ayun nga pala. Tapos natin mag-duty. 12 ang tapos ko, di ba? Ay, nakaligo naman ako nun.
Sakto, walang pasok. Makakasama yung bata.
Ganun. Para kahit pa paano ba, malagyan mo ba man lang ng 5,500? Malaking bagay kaya yun pagka naipon mo. Sisi nga ikaw. Asan ang tissue? Asan mo nilagyan tissue?
Sa init yan, tapos nagpapa-aircon.
Bigla na lang kasi paano may nag-order ako ng ano na lang din naisip kong orderin. Kasi nga kasali ko sa 7-7. May in-order ako na ano, pag hindi nagustuhan ni Sidney.
Sino?
Ikaw, kasali ka. Mamaya pag si Mami naligo, ikaw naman ang liligo ha. Okay? Okay pa. Okay pa. Hindi na ako magpapainit at mainit naman ang panahon ha. Para maganda yung ano, fresh. Halab muna.
Ako nga, hindi ng bata at saka ngayon ay bayan na.
Ano na? Yung bata yan, ang dami ng lilig. Ikaw ang nagalitin. Alam mo, nilabas ko talaga yan. Parang hindi na siya baby. Alam mo, di ba ang baby delicate hawakan? Yan, hindi. Parang kasi ilang buwan na siya nilabas. At ano siya talaga, parang ilang buwan na siya. Hindi siya nakakatapos na di pa pag ipapabot. Buti may kasama ka ng mga anak. Ako wala kasama sa loob. Tapos di ba nung sa delivery nung sa
Everyone is
layo niya yung bubuo. Maganda kasi ang layo niya parang clinic talaga sa amin. Parang hospital din na maliit. May kaso hindi nila na ako. Kahit tinatawag ako
Cat and the Poof Stock.
Fishy poof, so big and lovable and delicious.
Were you dreaming about a big pile of fishy poofs again?
Better! I was dreaming about one giant fishy poof. It was so big, Drew. Really humongous. A super-sized cracker of poofy fishiness.
Sounds like you dreamed the story of the cat and the poof stock.
Poof stock? Wait a minute. Is that the story like Jack and the Beanstalk?
It's exactly like that story, only different. Story spinner, zip zap zubble. Time to tell a magic tale inside your story bubble. Once upon a time, there was a sweet kitty named...
Bartleson, Bartleberry!
Let's call him Bart. Bart loved to eat fishy poofs.
I love to eat fishy poofs. Hi, little chicks. Do you like to eat fishy poofs too?
Kind-hearted Bart shared his fishy poofs with the little chicks.
Huh? Do I have to? All right, here you go. Or are you ever cute? Don't forget to share. Aw, look at them. Here, you do the rest are for me. What are you doing? No, stop! Remember sharing? You left me one fishy poof? Well, I guess that's sharing, technically. Ooh, very nice. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Oh, that poof almost broke my tooth!
But what the kitty didn't know was that it was no ordinary fishy poof. It was a magical poof.
Smells fishy, looks poofy, and it goes way up into the sky. It's a giant fishy poof stalk. I bet there's a gazillion fishy poofs up there. This is high, really high. I don't know if I can make it all the way to the top. Yeah, oh, no, you don't. Oh.
So Bart climbed and climbed as fast as he could to be the first to the top of the poof stalk.
Aha! So, you chicks can't reach the top, huh? Good. You've had your share. Time for me to go get my giant fishy poof.
Nom 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 nom.
Okay, what was that? A giant castle? Funny, I never noticed that before.
Nom 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 nom.
Ah! I better hurry!
Nom 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 nom.
Ah! Hello, Mr. Giant. So sorry my fishy poof grew a stalk that poked through your cloud. I'll just take this one teeny tiny little poof and leave. Please don't eat me.
Nom nom nom
I should have known that was gonna happen. Everyone loves fishy poofs. Goodbye, humongous fishy poof. I'll miss you. Come on, chicks. Time to go home.
So Bart started climbing back down without the giant fishy poof.
Terrible story. I want a new one.
It's not over yet. Just wait. This is the best part.
B5O. Nom 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 nom.
No, Mr. Giant. I'm not delicious. I mean, I might be, but probably not. You might hurt your tooth.
Share.
You picked more giant fishy poofs? And you want to share with me?
And so they shared the giant fishy poofs, the biggest, crunchiest, fishiest fishy poofs Bart had ever tasted.
B5O thumb.
Nom, 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 nom.
Everything is just about perfect. All we need now is one amazing, fantastic, unbelievable snack.
And everyone munched happily ever after. The end.
Best story ever!
Because it was about a nice giant and sharing?
No, because it was about how to grow a giant fishy poof. Come on, poof. Come on, grow nice and big. Here we go.
Bartleby. So did you get it yet, Zip?
Almost.
Well, hurry up.
On it. Maximum sneaky engaged. Hey, Mom. Mission accomplished.
Good. Now fly fast.
No problems with that.
You gotta let it glow. You gotta let it shine.
Oh, let's make our mark together. Just riding on forever. Just keeps on getting better, better, better. Every pony, everywhere. You can feel it in the air. Find your spark and just glow and shine. Make a mark that you can share. Hook to heart, you know we care. Oh, ponies, come on, let's hold you. Let's mow your mind. Ah, watch out! Heads up, everybody!
I'm so sorry. Thank you, Princess Zip.
Zip, just call me Zip, and don't worry about it. The magic from the Unity crystals in the Bright House is new to all of us. It takes practice.
Should I start now, or... where is she? I really wanted to use my...
Lucky microphone?
There she is. What took you so long? Don't tell me you were sneaking around the palace again. You know you can just enter through the main doors. It's our house.
But if Mom knew I was there, I'd get stuck doing one of her random princess lessons.
Good point. Okay, Sunny, just remember, pretend you're talking to us and not like all of Equestria, and you'll do great. You're live now.
Like, now?
Hey, every pony. I'm Sunny Star Scout, and I live here in Maritime Bay with my friends.
A lot has changed around here in the past few months. Maritime Bay used to be the place just us Earth ponies live. Just like how unicorns always stayed in Bridalwood and Pegasi never left Zephyr Heights. But when we found the 3 Unity crystals and brought them back together, it brought us back together. All pony kinds were reunited in friendship. Now, any pony can live anywhere. And we have magic again! Yay!
Well, the unicorns and Pegasi do. Ta-da! Now you, Sunny, show every pony what you can do.
Ooh, yeah. Turn into an alicorn. That's an Earth pony, Pegasus, and unicorn all in one.
You know it doesn't really work like that, guys. I can't just... Anyway, the point is, magic powers or not, I think every pony can agree that our lives are way more magical now that we're together again.
You know it. Okay, Sunny, do the thing.
Do you like super fun times? Are you interested in learning more about Earth pony traditions and tasting local treats? Do you want to see ponies sing in a big concert?
Yes, you bet. And yes, ba-ba-da, scoot, scoot, scat, scat, ooh.
Then you should come to our annual Maritime Bay Day Festival for a day of fun in the sunshine. It's going to be a blast. And I'm not just talking about the fireworks show. All pony kinds are welcome.
Oh, I love Maritime Bay Day! You gotta come check it out. The live maritime music, the sandcastle contest, the caramel pony corn. Oh, it's the best. Hey, give that back.
It's my phone.
Ah.
Kakain na po ikaw? Kain na ikaw. Mapatik ha?
Apa.
Oh, hey, look, it's still on.
See you at the festival. You okay, Izzy?
Oh, yeah. I mean, a little bit of ground glitter never hurt any pony.
Well, thank goodness for magic.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
Faux show.
Well, I, for one, do not agree.
Is this about your flowers, Posy? It was an accident, but we'll fix them right away.
No. What I meant was that I wish magic had never come back. And I'm not the only pony around here who thinks so.
What do you mean?
You Pegasi are always flying too fast, or too low, or too high up.
What's wrong with flying high up?
Ugh, I just don't like it, okay? And every time I'm at the market, there's some smug unicorn using their magic to shop. I almost got hit in the head by a bag of floating apples yesterday. Magic is not very safe. At least not for the rest of us ponies who don't have it. Right, Sheriff Hitch?
I don't know if I would say that.
Every pony is just still learning how to use it. That's all. Magic takes practice.
Then they should do it somewhere else other than my garden.
Okay, wow, she was really nice, right, guys? Oh, come on, Sunny, let's go home.
Don't worry, Posy. I'm gonna find a way to show you and every pony else just how awesome magic can be.
Pip, pip, pip. I want to show you something.
So, what did you want to show me?
Well, I don't know if you noticed, but I consider myself a bit of an artist.
Of course, I noticed all of this beautiful stuff was made by you. You're so creative, Izzy. And you're amazed at making new things out of old things. What do you call it again?
Oh, yeah, unicycling.
Unicycling. Yes, that's it.
So, the other day when I was searching for my box of googly eyes in the basement, I found this.
Bonnie's old lantern?
Well, her dad made it for her when she was a filly. So I thought...
That you'd fix it up for her as a Maritime Bay Day present?
Yep, but shh, it has to be a surprise.
I love surprises! Your secret is safe with me.
Huff to heart.
Zip. Zip. Zip!
Huh?
I have been asking you if you want extra cheese on your pizza for like 10 minutes. What's up with you?
Oh, sorry. Just thinking about something weird that happened earlier.
The thing with Posey?
Oh, yeah, that.
Same here. How could she not love magic?
Earth ponies have never had magic before. Maybe Posey's jealous.
Jealous?
I know I am. Magic seems a little scary, but it would be pretty cool to be able to levitate things.
Like this? Ooh. Whoa.
Worth it!
Oh, you're right, Hitch. That is so much better than flying.
So, have you figured out the whole magical...
I didn't mean that, y'all.